This lesson is going to cover adding WebEx productivity tools to your computer. The tools will add both an app to your computer and also information inside of Outlook that you can use to schedule WebEx meetings. We're now at the logins page. We're going to scroll down here till we see Cisco WebEx. We click sign in, enter your email address and your password, click sign in. On the left here it says downloads. We click downloads. Now you'll see there are several things that you can add, and our goal is to add the productivity tools so that you will be able to add WebEx meetings through Outlook. So we're going to click download and then save file. Once you're done with that, you click on this arrow up here. That's because I'm in Firefox. If you were in Chrome, you would click the icon down here in the bottom left corner. Double click on WebEx plugin. You click on open executable file and then you click OK. This will start the install process. Click next, accept the license agreement and click next. Then click install. When the install is complete, you will get this message. You click finish. Next, we're going to open Outlook. Now, under the home ribbon, you will see schedule meeting. Note that it now says schedule WebEx meeting. It brings up this window where you can type in which template you're going to use, and instead of using meeting, I use WebEx training. You can list it on a public calendar. You can set how many minutes ahead of time that someone can start up the meeting. You can determine whether you're not sending out the password or not. You can set whether it has a tone for when people enter the meeting. And when you have done all that, you click OK. You type in the meeting. Then you set the time and the day and whether it's going to be recurring. Then you can put in addresses to whom you're sending the information. Once you're done entering all the addresses, you click send. Then you go to your calendar and you'll see that the meeting has been established.